Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. This week, well, this vlog especially, I'm talking about troubleshooting why there's no power in the aft stateroom outlets. The lights have it, the head has it, but not the stateroom outlets. So watch and enjoy. Thank you.
Good morning. Oops, sorry about that. Good morning. This morning we got to Buena Ventura, and overall the boat was in good condition considering we left her last weekend, or didn't come down last weekend. But I went to the aft stateroom and had a problem. There is no heat back here. The heaters were off, a little cool and clammy. At least the weather's been holding steady. So it's time to do some troubleshooting. First up, find out if we have power. So to do that, I'm going to use this sniffer. It's a power sniffer. You can buy them in any store that carries electronic, voltmeters and stuff like that. So let's see. No power. Power. No power. Should have lots of power, and we don't. So I'm going to take that apart. Take a peek inside, see what it looks like. So let's see what we can do. Okay, now that I've found my screwdrivers, let's take the plate off. This plate has been off many times apparently. Okay, now I'm just going to look in there. High and low. Nothing. Okay. This time I'm just going to take it and pull it out. The actual box, the electrical box, is in a closet in the locker right behind me here. There's a box there, a plastic box. Just want to see what's on this side first, and then I'll look at what's on the other side. Okay, can I see anything in there? Several of these outlets were fried from the electrical hit. They tended to all be on the other leg of the AC circuit. But considering the climate, it's easy to see corrosion or whatever if it wasn't put in correctly, or it's just aged. Okay. Let's take a look here. Okay. You can see wire is good here. This is not burned at this point. So we're somewhere earlier than this. Okay. Let's go exploring into our locker. Okay, see, there is the box. See if I can keep a light on it. Nothing. Where does that go? I tuck that one. That goes up. I wonder if that goes up to... Moldy. Okay. Well, at this point, I'm going to say I'm going to have to stop and regroup and think about other things. Track this down a little different way. Okay, found the source of the power outage. It's serious. It's serious. Could have been a heck of a lot of problems. I don't know if we can get you focused in here or not, but you can see that ain't a very good wire. That's kind of like called a capacitor. It's an air gap connection. This one just comes apart, and it looks like that. This is the aft stateroom breaker. It makes noise. It's a bad breaker. Up here is the rear, or this aft. This is the aft air conditioner AC unit. And it's hard to say. Let's see. There's carbon there. I'm looking for is smoke. No. It just looks like they overheated several times and finally gave up. It's possible the AC unit one is too close, but hard to say. What I need to do is replace the breaker. That's the aft outlet breaker. And then cut back this wire to clean wire, splice in new. These look like, probably hard to say. Let's get you down where you belong. Okay, these are overheated. These were overheated, obviously, and looks like the top one, which is the aft AC unit, there was tape on that for some reason. I'm not sure why it was taped. Probably because the nylon connection was broken off of it somewhere. So it was taped up. Should have been sleeved and heat shrinked. That breaker is, the breaker is definitely bad. It makes noise when you try and open and close it. So I need to splice this back to good wire, or cut back to good wire, splice in new wire, put a new connection on it, new connector, replace the breaker. That hasn't been replaced before, so it's going to be another project, as you've seen in my previous attempts at putting in new breakers in an old panel. Okay, you were wondering what's going to happen? Well, next week I will show how I splice in the wiring and replace the breaker. Well, you've already seen how I replace the breaker. Thank you for watching Buena Ventura Life. Please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.